Welcome to CermePOS. Learn how to easily accept payments, both by card and cash, and how to correctly process them in your system. Welcome to this tutorial for dry cleaners. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable laundry receipts by category. First, we need to enable the laundry receipt option per category. This allows the system to print a receipt that you can attach to each clothing item, so you know which items belong to which customer. Some categories, such as retail products, won't need this receipt. For those, you don't have to do anything. Go to Categories and select the category where you do want to use laundry receipts. For example, we'll select Dry Cleaning. Click Modify, then enable the option Laundry Receipt. Click Save to confirm. Repeat this for all categories that should include a laundry receipt. When you're done, close the category window and go to Cash Desk. Step 2. Creating a sale. Now we're in the Cash Desk screen. Let's make our first sale. Click on the category the customer wants, then select the item, for example, suit, dry cleaning, and any other garments. Once you've selected everything, click OK in the top right corner. You will now see a list of all selected items. If the customer brings in an item made of multiple parts, for example, a dress with 2 pieces, click on the product, then click on Pieces. Enter the number of pieces, in this case 2. This will ensure the correct number of items is shown on the laundry receipt, so you can return everything properly to the customer. When done, click the green check mark. Step 3. Set a pickup date. Go to Subtotal. Click on Collect Date and enter the date when the order will be ready. By default, the system sets the pickup date to 3 days later, but you can adjust this. You can also select a time range, such as before or after a specific time. When you're done, click Save. If the customer pays in cash, click Cash. If they pay by card, click Pin Card. If the customer doesn't pay the exact amount, you can click on the amount they're paying with on the right side. The system will automatically show the change due. After that, you always choose Print, so you get one receipt for the customer and one for yourself per clothing item. You'll now see a receipt like this. At the center you see the pickup date. At the bottom, you can see whether the order was paid or not. The small blue slip at the top is for you. You attach this to the clothing. Step 4. Unpaid orders. Make credit. What if a customer drops off items but wants to pay later? In that case, select the product, then click Subtotal. Set the pickup date like before. Now, in the top left corner, click Make Credit. You'll need to select or create a customer. Let's create a default customer called Afterwards Payments. Click New. Type Afterwards Payments as the name, and click Save, then OK. Click Yes to confirm. You've now created an unpaid order assigned to that customer. Step 5. Pickups. Customer collects clothing. Now let's see what to do when a customer comes to pick up their clothes. In the bottom right corner, click Pick Up. Scan the customer's receipt. If they don't have a receipt or you want to look it up manually, click the same button again. A window will open with a list of all open orders. You can search by date, customer name, or scroll through the list. Click on the correct ticket. In this example, the customer hasn't paid yet. You can see that clearly in the order view. Click Pay Back, and choose how the customer is paying, cash or card. Check the box next to the selected payment method and click Save. If you want the receipt to show that the order has been collected, click Yes. If not, click No. You'll now see that the order has been marked as paid. Click Deliver. Then click Exit. Congratulations! You now know how to handle drop-offs and pickups for a dry cleaner in CermePOS. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Good luck with using CermePOS system.